What's the character you're playing in this movie? Because no one knows what's the character exactly.
That's why we're keeping it secret, because it's a complete story. It's a dream role for any actress, and we it's a modern girl, obviously. And what happens to her when she goes into the jungles with a team of people to shoot a film, and then something strange happens at that point, which connects to something else. And what connects is what the 555 is about, and that's what we'll reveal on October 19th.
When you like full fledged, it's your shoulder movie. Which kind of reference point for this movie? And according to you, I have to describe like Jan Leva 555. How do you describe?
Okay, it's a mystical, musical, romantic thriller. That's the genre of the movie, and it's a love story. It's the ultimate love story which spans many generations. So that is the whole crux. And behind that, there is something. There are many firsts for this movie. First of all, our intention was to do this as a glorious tribute, a very humble and glorious tribute to my ultimate actress, who is Sridevi ji. And also, director Sandeep Malani ji is he literally says that he is the world's biggest admirer of Sridevi, and so both of us had her incredible career graph in mind when we wanted to offer this as a humble tribute to her, and that is what we kept in mind when we made the story. The story itself is original. It is written by Sandeep ji, and it is complete original screenplay. So apart from that, there are many firsts in this film. There are 15 song and dance and tracks in this, which is, again, I believe it's a first in a long time in Indian cinema. We have actually 3 English songs, 6 Hindi full-fledged numbers, and then the rest are all musical tracks, which are all beautiful. They've been composed by 9 new music composers, 2 from America, 7 from India. And there are 9 playback singers. And it's almost like a kind of a record after record, because we have such a fresh feel of this whole film, which nobody's seen, because it's an all fresh star cast. We have 10 newcomers in the film. That's apart from me. I'm not a newcomer, but we have 10 newcomers, and all these incredible things happening.
Yeah, like I say, it's your home production. What was the first day shoot and what was the first shot for you? Because home production, lots of excited, lots of nervous. What was the first day for you?
The first day was magnificent, because I saw some of the amazing classics of yesteryears, and in fact, the Muhurat shot actually was what you'll see in the very beginning of the movie. It's a puja. I have a very favorite Sanskrit shlok or mantra, which is the Shanti mantra. I have incorporated that Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu, that 4-liner, and did a Ganpati puja, and that we actually kept that as the first opening shot of the movie, followed by celebrity messages. Now, we have had the opportunity to have amazing television and film celebrities to give us messages for a cause, a medical cause, which we've associated with this film, and that being cobra bite prevention and treatment. As you know, there are thousands of children, innocent little children running barefoot in the fields. They die of cobra bites. They don't even know what's bit them, because it's such an instant thing, and it is fatal. So what we've done is we are hoping to pledge a percentage of profits from this film to the donation of ventilators, breathing machines, to the village hospitals of India. So the more machines we are able to donate, the more lives we'll save. So that's my request to the viewers of movietalkies.com, that please go and watch this film in theaters near you, because not only will you enjoy a wonderful movie for 2 hours and 15 minutes, but you'll also spend a little bit of that to save a life.
What's the reason you choose so many music directors? Because normally we see more than 2 or 3. But these were so many in the music director. What's the reason you choose?
It's because it's an all fresh story. The story demanded that. In fact, the director wanted his first debut in Hindi to be a musical film. So, and I love music. I love dancing. Like I told you already, I've been a classical dancer since childhood. So when I requested him to write the story, I said it should have amazing music, and it should have at least 4 to 6 dance numbers, which hopefully turn into classic dance numbers. So accordingly, we created the storyline which went with all of that. And luckily for us, the fresh talent. As you know, it's a tiny budget film, so the composers who've come in have graciously done this within our budget. And we are very thankful to them, because they're amazing talents, but they're fresh. They also are getting a huge break into the Indian film industry, and that's how that came about. Instead of requesting one of the big ones or two of the big ones, we requested a whole bunch of fresh talent to come into the film.